You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, including from American English, I've got many more videos for you. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this video. America is how it is pronounced. So you have a schwa sound at the beginning and a sound. It's not a. America would be the Spanish or Italian pronunciation. America. Yes, it comes from Spanish, America. But in English, America. America. The stress is on the me syllable. Now, in the US, in some parts of the US, they say it as America. America. But generally, America. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.